Hey everybody, it's Chuck. Thanks for stopping by the channel for a visit. Make another quick one here for you. As you can see, I'm in front of the Arbor press here, and you can see it's bolted down. I've got a quick video I'm going to show you. I did a little repair for my buddy's flea market Dave, and involved broaching and both the broaching a pulley, and then the spline piece that went inside had a millet for a key. It was a pulley off a Walker Turner drill press that in the details it shows it's keyed. I think this was a very older unit, and it was just a pressed spline fitting in there on the spindle. So anyway, there'll be a little video for that. Real quick though, I just wanted to give a shout out about the 2017 Summer Bash down at Stan's. Had a super time. Didn't win anything on the raffle. The prizes in the raffle were insane, and just awesome to get to meet with viewers of my channel that came up and explained to me how they appreciate seeing me, appreciate the contents of my video. It's odd to hear it, but I really appreciate it, and it's spurred me on to be here again for you. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll continue to try to do my best. Secondly, about the bash, to meet the other creators and the people that traveled afar. We're talking about Emma from Australia, Bruce Witten from Australia, Colin Chippett, Pierre from Pierre's Garage, Phil from Phil's Projects, all from Canada. Long travel. And then of course we have John Mills that came over from England. Amazing. Plus all the fellas that traveled across the United States. All good friends, just fantastic to see everybody. And the events and the displays and everything there was fantastic. The weather was also cooperative. So anyway, enough of that. A lot of people also expressed concern and offered their thoughts for my son Tim. I quit really posting about him because it's kind of odd. We've been in the hospital 5 days, out for 3, in for 5, out for 3, and it was just getting a little odd to even post it. Unfortunately, he's been in the hospital now for about 10 days, and we hope he'll be out in another 3 or 4 days, assuming he doesn't have any more kind of infections. He's doing well. I have to share, yesterday I showed up at 5 o'clock to give him his food, feed him. He only drinks liquids, and I walked in, and there he was, 180 degrees in the bed. His head was at the foot side, and 3 nurses staring at him, not wanting to touch him. He had finally hit the wall with everybody dealing with him, and once Dad got there, things calmed down. I could take care of him, got him turned around, fed him, and then we went for a walk. So he was a happy lad. Anyway, I really appreciate everybody's thoughts and prayers for Tim, and he's doing okay. We'll get through all this. So all that jibber jab's done. Just a couple little quick spots on helping my buddy Flea Market Dave. Nothing dramatic, but hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you soon. Okay, thanks again for stopping by. Really appreciate it. Well, as always, when I shut the camera off, I decide there's one other thing I wanted to mention. You can see down below the Arbor press is bolted down. In the video showing me using it, it wasn't bolted yet, but it was a simple push of a broach in aluminum, so it was not a big deal. But I did take care of it today. The other thing you'll notice is this, I think it's called a platen. I had the platen where it's supposed to be, where it spins, and you'll notice as I was pressing on the pulley, the broach, it was angling, excuse me, it was leaning, and what I should have done was just pull that forward and had full pressure on the bearing. I was so intent on the broaching, I felt it move a little bit in my hand, but going through the aluminum was fairly simple, so I didn't really notice as much as it was moving as when I went and produced the video and saw it. So anyway, I thought I'd give you that little add-on, and here's the videos. Well, how's that for timing? Just get the arbor press done, and need to broach a keyway. Pretty good timing. Just working.
Do a video?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, here's the finished product. There's the key in there, and it slides back in. So got the repair done. To close out this video, there's my patient buddy and friend, Howard. Hey, Howie, ready to go? Oh, you want to go play? All right. I'll close up shop and we'll go play. All right. Yeah, all right.